Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. Today our topic is fruits. I will tell you one more thing. Every fruit has a seed in it. Some have one seed and some have many seeds. Pomegranate, apple, banana, watermelon, kiwi, cherry, strawberry, mango, custard apple, orange, pineapple, papaya, grapes, and blueberry. So kids, what's your favorite fruit? Thank you kids.